This is a small bundle. I'm like, did they forget to put some items in my bag? It came in this small bag and it's flat. I'm like, wait a minute. Did I order something and forget? Do I have an exchange? Why is this so thin? Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Natalie Attired unboxing and a try on. It doesn't look like it's gonna take us long, but there should be 5 items in here. It's so thin. Oh goodness. I'm gonna show you the, should I start over? No, let's keep going. It's late in the day. I think the lighting is a little off because it is later in the day than I normally film, but when I received notification that this box was here, I was like, I gotta go get it. But I didn't get out right away, so you guys don't need to know about that, do you? Okay, let's see what this looks like. There should be 5 items in here. Did I already say that? Looks like some pretty colors. So you get this nice handwritten note, and let's see, who do I have? Hi Barbara, I chose a great pair of shorts and tops to go with them. Enjoy, Renee. Okay, thanks Renee. And then there's instructions on the back on, you know what? I never read it, so let me find out. I'm not doing very well, am I? I feel like I should start over. Let's see. You have 3 days to try on your collection. If you keep all 5 items, you get 30% discount. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20% discount. And let's see. And your styling fee of $20 is deducted from anything you keep. And here is the price list, which I'm not gonna look at because I wanna keep an open mind. And an envelope to put all your returns in. Shipping is free. Now with Natalie Attired, they do have 2, ooh, this is, well, I was gonna say this is a small bag, but you know, my items aren't very big. What is it? Prepaid, envelope, USPS. They have 2 collections actually. This is the only one that I've tried and I really, really like Natalie Attired. What do they have? This is the classic collection, 5 items, $20 styling fee, shipping is free. They also have a limited collection. The limited collection I've never tried. You pay a flat fee of $72 plus shipping, $10 shipping. And then if you keep the entire collection, it's supposed to be valued over $150 or above. But if you return anything, let's see, let me think. I know if you keep, you don't have to keep everything, but if there's, you know, if, let's say you only want to keep a couple items, then your $10 shipping charge for the limited collection is credited back to you. So I'm not sure anything else. Look on their website. I don't get that one. I get the classic. This one's easy. Okay, let's take a look to see what Renee has styled for me. Kind of a flowy tight blouse. It's very pretty. Love the colors. V-neck. Possibility. This feels more like a summer blouse for me because it's more of a cotton type material. Easy to wear. Dress it up, dress it down. Another fancy blouse. I call it a fancy blouse. I don't know, I kind of like this. Look at those colors. This is very pretty. And I'm not a floral person, but I think I'm liking this. Nice, pretty color. Looks like dolman sleeves, nice and long. It feels like that modal material. Some denim shorts, and they have stretch. These feel like those Absolution jeans. They feel pretty thick. Okay, let's get to the try on. Okay, this was a little bit of a surprise for me. Let's start with the top. This is by GILLI. It's $42. I am wearing a size small. It's really pretty. It's like a cream with lavender, little lavender flowers in it. Hope you guys can see that. The sleeves are sheer. They have the ruffles They kind of crisscross there. They're a little snug on me. Let's see, what else can I tell you? It's a nice length. It's lined all the way around. So that's nice. It's a little snug for me around my hips. I tried to do a front tuck, but the back, because it's kind of snug, that it's not gonna work. The material, it feels amazing. It really feels nice. Okay, it's soft. It's really a nice top, actually. It's pretty cute. All right, these shorts are a surprise. When I saw that they are Bermuda shorts, I don't wear Bermuda shorts. I was like, they are not for me. But let me tell you, these are $48. They are amazing, amazing. They are called a 151, and let me show them to you. They have that stretch. They have the absolution in them. So with the absolution, you usually don't get, I don't anyways, get that bunching in the back. And then it gives, you know, for this muffin top, it has the pockets. They are slanted and they're stitched, really nice stitching on these. It is a button fly. Let's see. I like the side pockets. It makes them look a little dressier. The back detail is really nice. It has the stitching with the darts, and I think it kind of goes down. It has the slit on the side. Let's see. Okay, they are a thicker fabric. They are kind of thick, but they stretch. And what I like about these is that they hug my legs, so they're not the loose shorts. I just wish they were a little shorter. I thought about, you know, rolling them up a little bit. I mean, I could roll them one way, once up, which would be, I don't know. I don't know how that looks, actually. I'm not sure. But I'll leave them on. These are size 6. I'm not sure if I said that. I'll leave them on with the rest of the tops that I'm going to try on. When I looked in the mirror before I put my wedges on, I felt this length makes me really look short. So, and I'm 5'4". So I don't know, I'm not sure. I think they might be a little long. I don't know. I have to watch the video and hear what you guys say. But let's try the other tops on, and I'll keep wearing these. These do feel good. You can feel the quality in these. These are nice. They are really nice. Okay, let's try another top. Okay, this top, this is very nice. It's by RENEE. I am wearing a size small. It is $49. It has the blue stripes in it, which is really, it's a really pretty blue. I know, I'm saying that, right? Somebody had said I didn't want any blue. Now all of a sudden I'm really wanting some blues. It's really cute. It's 100% rayon, machine wash. It's not real thin, but it's not thick. It feels nice. It feels light. The sleeves are 3/4, as you can see. There's no elastic. It has just the small little hem on it. It's a little tight, so it's almost like, do I wear the sleeves down or do I try and pull them up and wear them like a balloon? And with there not being any elastic, they don't go up real easy, but I don't know. Just kind of an odd feeling because it's not elastic. Let's see, what else can I tell you? V-neck, no strings. I really thought there would be some strings here, but there are no strings. Let's see, let me show you the length of this. Oh, here comes Mike. Hi, love. He's like shocked because I'm usually not filming this time of night. So it's longer in the back, in the front. I don't know, it looks pretty good. You don't have to leave. I don't think you heard me. I don't know. It's cute. But for $49, and these sleeves will drive me crazy, this will more than likely be a no. Okay, 2 more tops. Okay, I love this top. I love the colors, the large flower. I really actually like it. I think I like the large, well, I don't know. I shouldn't say I don't know. I like this one. It's red. This is by TUA, T-U-A, $39. This, I am wearing a size small. It is lined all the way around, so it has more of the sheer fabric on the front. It has the really cute little flutter sleeves. There are 2 layers, V-neck. It's really cute. I don't know, I really like it. What do you guys think? It's just, I like it. I like it a lot, but there is a but. I mean, it's $39, which I think is a pretty good price, but it's this belly thing that is pushed out with this type of fabric. So I think if it was, I love the silhouette of it. I think if it was a different fabric where it wasn't so clingy, because it feels a little staticky, I would like it a lot more. You know, so it just is like attacking that fluff that I have. And I can see it up here and in the back. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's there and it's uncomfortable. So when I sit, you know, it comes out even more. And these are high-waisted shorts. So that is the only reason I'm returning this. The only reason. I love, love, love this top, but I know I won't reach for it because I need to get my eating, snacking under control. You know, I don't know what to say. All right, one more top. Okay, this is the last top and love the color. Love the pink shade of this. I'm not crazy about the neck. Let's see. This is by, I haven't heard of this company and I don't know how to say it. So it's spelled CIELO. This top is $28. I am wearing a size small. It's the dolman sleeve. I didn't look at the fabric. I think it's that modal. That's what it feels like. It's all stretchy. Here's the length of it. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I think it's just too plain. And at this point, with all the boxes that I get, I'm looking for the wow pieces. I want something to be, oh, I really like that. I'm gonna wanna wear that. I'm gonna wanna reach for it in my closet. This is not that. So let me give you my final thoughts of this box. Okay, let me just start by saying that everything in this box is very nice. There isn't anything that is totally not my style. I actually like everything, but I don't love it enough to keep it for the price. This is $28 and it's just a t-shirt. I actually just went to JCPenney's and bought 2 t-shirts that I really like. One's a V-neck, one is a crew neck. They were $10.99 each and they're a really good soft quality. So it's hard for me to justify this with this type of material that I'm not crazy about for $28. So this is a no. I don't love it enough. If I loved it, yeah, I'd pay $28 for it. All right, this top, $39. I love this blouse. I love this, but because of the fabric and how it fits me, I won't reach for it. So there's no sense adding it to my closet because it'll just sit there and it's $39. The RENEE C, $49. This one could have been a possibility, but the sleeves are gonna bother me. I won't reach for it. No. So that's a no. And then the GILLI top is $42. It's just, this is not a print that I mean, it's cute. It's just not for me. I mean, it's really a pretty blouse. It really is very pretty, but it'll just sit in my closet. I won't reach for it. Okay, let's talk about these shorts. These are really a nice quality shorts, but they're honestly, they're too long. They're too long for me. And how much are they? $48. I have other shorts that I'd rather wear. Actually, I'd rather wear a skirt. And a skirt a little bit shorter than these would be perfect. But so these are going to go back. So everything is going back. The total value of everything before any discounts is $206, which, I mean, that's 5 items. I think everything's really nice, but nothing wowed me except the red top. But it's the wrong fabric. So I'm going to return everything. If you guys would like to try Natalie Attired, give them a try. They really have nice clothes. It's one of my favorite boxes. I know I say that and I'm not keeping anything, but I think my stylist did a great job, and that's all I can ask. If I get a nice box, but I don't keep anything, or I just keep one item, I'm okay with that. They're not, but I'm okay with that because it was fun trying them, and you never know until you try them on. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.